Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Start by cracking open 4 eggs into your mixing bowl. Add a half cup of milk, two teaspoons of vanilla, and whisk it up. Next, we'll need 2 sticks of butter, but for right now, we're just going to use 1. Add 1½ cups of sugar, one 3/4 cups of flour, or 1 and 12 tablespoons of flour. Quarter cup of cornstarch, two teaspoons of baking powder, and 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Next, we'll want to combine and whisk up all of our ingredients. Once mixed, add in your second stick of butter. Once your batter is ready, go ahead and grab your pan. Evenly pour your batter into your greased and parchment paper lined pan. Remember not to leave any batter behind. More batter, more cake, right? Now, we'll want to pop this into the oven and bake for about 35 minutes. While the cake bakes, now we can start on the cream portion of our strawberry shortcake. Today, I'm using a whole tub of Cool Whip. Next, add 2 tablespoons of sugar. With your hand mixer, go ahead and whip it up. You'll want to whisk your cream until you start seeing soft peaks form. Now that our cake is baked, we can go ahead and start decorating. Level your cake in half and place the bottom portion onto your cake stand. Next, lather on a nice layer of cream. I'm going to be using a straight spatula to give it a nice even coat. Once our cream layer is on, we can go ahead and start adding strawberries. Circle the bottom half of your cake with halved strawberries. With your remaining strawberries, dice them up and toss them in the middle. Next, add the top layer of your cake. Now with our top layer on, we can go ahead and cover this cake with the rest of our cream. I think I'm going to use all of it today. Once the cream is fully smoothed out, we can decorate with the remaining strawberries. Now with the remaining cream, feel free to go ahead and either eat it, like I almost did, or pipe some fancy little flowers on top of the cake. And there's our strawberry shortcake. Be sure to let me know what you think in the comments. I'll see you next week. Bye!